Welcome back to my GZDoom series. Today I'm just going to be discussing how to have multiple versions of GZDoom running on your Linux install, and this is also totally possible for your Windows install, just for reference. There's been a lot of people talking in the forums about the fact that the app images don't function properly. For some reason, the app image creator is not pulling in the dependencies like it should be, but the portable installs also don't function. But let's say we wanted to get a portable install and run that alongside a regular install, because I already decided I'm not getting rid of my dev version. What I want you to do is go to DuckDuckGo and type in GZDoom 4.11.3 portable. Click the first link that comes up. Now download this. I'm going to download this directly to my games folder. That makes the most sense. Okay. I'm going to extract here and delete the archive. Now, let's say I was going to point ZDL towards it. Oops, wrong plus. Okay. I go into this folder. I just locate the GZDoom executable and I click open. But I found out this cool trick. You can go up here in the list and double click it, and then just type in the version number. That prevents it from getting too confusing. The other thing is too, I'm going to rename this folder for simplicity's sake. Where's the stupid rename? There it is. Okay, GZDoom 4113 is going to be the name. Okay, I changed folder names in order to protect the innocent. Just kidding. I changed folder names in order to create a custom config, which is nice to do if you have multiple GZDoom installations. You just want to go -config and put the absolute path to your INI file. Like on Linux, if you type in tilde, that's the same as the home folder, so then you just type in / and whatever follows that. Okay, I've just gone ahead and reprogrammed the source port information in here because, like a dumbass, I changed the folder name afterwards. But I wonder, if I go ahead and launch this, if I'm going to get some kind of interesting error message that I suppose I've seen at some point in my life before. Looks like driver messages and such. I wonder why that is. Let me try to launch it again. Same errors. I can't think of where I've possibly seen this before. Raise. So, I'm just going to say it. That little solution I did for raise is the same exact thing that you've got to do for this. If you want to get the portable version of GZDoom to work, this is the secret. Highlight all of your shared objects except for libz music, leave that one alone, and hit the delete key. Done. You now have a working GZDoom portable. Let's test it and find out. Looks like we're in business. This is important for DoomRPG as well as for other mods like Guncaster, QCDE, Project Brutality, certain monster packs like Painkiller. Stuff that no longer works. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, stuff that no longer works in the latest version. Yeah, I've never seen this level in my life before. I just made like umpteen of these with obsidian. Alright, whatever. I can't even get at the stupid monsters. I forgot to mention, I am showing off Roxo85's texture pack. The same guy that made all the texture packs for the Raze games. Blood, Shadow Warrior, Duke Nukem, and such. can't have this much fun cooking Nazis in the new GZDoom. Yeah, Project Brutality. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'm using a neural pack for the weapons, that's why they look so nice. Yeah. Whoa. I don't even know what's shooting at me anymore. Alright, whatever. Okay, that's obviously some kind of a mod conflict. I'm not sure why the barrels are doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video and using multiple versions of GZDoom in Linux, or if you're using another operating system, that one too. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.